Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to see how to add the UPI payments into our website or our e-commerce website. Let's see. Before that we have to install the plugin name as UPI. As you can see here, click on the add new plugin and search your UPI, and after that here you will see the QR code thumbnail and install this. After that, go in the WooCommerce and click here on the settings, and after that you can find your payments, and after that scroll down and you can find your UPI QR code, and after that click on the manage and scroll down, and here you can see merchant UPI VPA ID. Here you have to paste your UPI ID of GPay or PhonePe, Paytm, anything. You have to paste here and scroll down and click on the save changes, and you can see the changes. Okay, now I will set up this all and I will show you. Okay, cool. Now our UPI payments are ready. Just click on the view site and scroll down, and we will see that how to shop this. Just click on the add cart and click on the view cart and proceed to checkout. And once you will fill this form, then you can see here the payment UPI code option. If we click on the proceed to payment, first of all I will do this all and I will show you. Now we have completely filled the form and click on the proceed to payment, and after that you can see here the QR code. First of all we have to use our phone number and we have to use the UPI payments. I will fill it. After this all, click on the proceed to payment, and after that you will see this QR code. You can do the simple by clicking here on the phone pay and the Paytm also, or you can simply with the scanner you can do the payments. In this video we have shown that how to use the UPI payments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos guys. Let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.